Deep beneath the surface of the Pacific Ocean lies a place darker than night, colder than ice, and more mysterious than outer space. A place so deep that very few humans have ever seen it with their own eyes. This is the Mariana Trench, the deepest known place on Earth. Hidden nearly 11 kilometers below the ocean's surface, the Mariana Trench remains one of the least explored regions on our planet. Today we are diving into the deepest place on Earth to uncover its mysteries, strange creatures, extreme conditions, and the secrets hidden in the darkness below. The Mariana Trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean, east of the Philippines and near the Mariana Islands. Stretching for more than 2,500 kilometers, this underwater trench was formed millions of years ago by the movement of Earth's tectonic plates. At its deepest point lies an area called Challenger Deep, the deepest known point in Earth's oceans. To understand just how deep this is, if you place Mount Everest upside down into the trench, its peak would still remain underwater. Sunlight cannot reach these depths. Below a certain point, the ocean becomes completely dark. No natural light, no familiar sounds, only pressure, silence, and mystery. The deeper you go into the Mariana Trench, the more extreme the environment becomes. Temperatures near the bottom are close to freezing. The water pressure is almost unimaginable. At the deepest point, the pressure is more than 1,000 times greater than the pressure at sea level. That amount of pressure would crush most ordinary submarines instantly. Because of these conditions, exploring the trench is incredibly difficult. Only a small number of deep-sea missions have successfully reached the bottom. For decades, much of the Mariana Trench remained completely unexplored. Even today, scientists continue discovering new information about this hidden world. In 1960, two explorers made history by descending into the Mariana Trench aboard a deep-sea submersible called Trieste. The mission lasted for hours as they slowly descended into complete darkness. As they reached the ocean floor, thick clouds of sediment surrounded the vehicle. For a short moment, humans had reached the deepest known place on Earth. Years later, filmmaker James Cameron also completed a solo dive to the trench, bringing global attention back to deep-sea exploration. These missions showed the world that even the deepest parts of Earth could be explored with advanced technology. Despite the extreme environment, life still exists in the Mariana Trench. Scientists have discovered unusual deep-sea creatures adapted to survive under intense pressure and total darkness. Some species appear almost alien-like. Transparent bodies, glowing features, massive jaws, and slow movements help these creatures survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Among the fascinating animals discovered are deep-sea fish, giant amphipods, sea cucumbers, and microscopic organisms living near the ocean floor. Because sunlight never reaches these depths, many deep-sea animals rely on bioluminescence, the ability to produce light using chemical reactions inside their bodies. In the darkness of the deep ocean, flashes of blue and green light move silently through the water. It is one of the most mysterious ecosystems on the planet, and scientists believe there may still be countless undiscovered species hidden in the trench. The Mariana Trench is more than just a mysterious location. It is also an important place for scientific research. By studying deep-sea organisms, scientists hope to better understand how life survives in extreme environments. Some researchers believe these discoveries could even help us understand how life might exist on other planets or moons with underground oceans. The trench also helps scientists study earthquakes, tectonic plate movement, and Earth's geological history. Every expedition into the trench provides new information about our planet. Even though humans have explored space extensively, much of Earth's deep ocean remains unknown. In many ways, the Mariana Trench is Earth's final frontier. One of the most surprising discoveries made during recent expeditions was the presence of human pollution deep inside the trench. researchers found traces of plastic and waste materials even in these remote underwater regions. This discovery shocked many scientists. If pollution can reach the deepest place on Earth, it shows how connected our planet truly is. The Mariana Trench may seem isolated and untouched, but even this hidden environment is affected by human activity. This has increased calls for ocean conservation and protection of marine ecosystems around the world. The Mariana Trench remains one of the most mysterious places on Earth, a world of darkness, pressure, strange life forms, and hidden secrets buried deep beneath the Pacific Ocean. Even after decades of exploration, we still know very little about what exists in the deepest parts of our oceans. And perhaps that is what makes the Mariana Trench so fascinating. It reminds us that even today there are places on Earth that remain largely unexplored, places that continue to challenge science, technology, and human curiosity. As technology improves, future expeditions may uncover even more secrets hidden beneath the ocean floor. But until then, the Mariana Trench remains a silent world far below the surface, one of the last great mysteries of our planet. Would you ever explore the deepest place on Earth? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe for more mysteries, hidden places, and unexplained stories from around the world.